Hi, it's Lynn from LynnieCDesigns. Thank you for joining me today. I'm going to make a lovely and quick new home card using the Happy Tales stamp set. I've got sentiments from A Delightful Day and A Little Lace, and I'm also going to use the brick and mortar embossing folder. Now I've got a standard thick white card base, which is A6. All of the measurements for this will be on my blog. A bit of Whisper White cut a little bit shorter to leave a border around, and this is the bit that I'm going to emboss. And then I've got a little strip here. I've got some soft suede, and I've already pre-cut some letters. Now the large letter dies are no longer available, but we do have some other letters in the current catalogue, and I'll put a link below. So keeping the colour simple, if you followed me, you'll know that I keep things nice and simple. So soft suede and Sahara sand are the two ink colours. And then because I always love to do a little bit of heat embossing, Versamark, Stamp Buddy, and I've got some white embossing powder. So I'll just get straight on with making the card. So that's the base, and I'll use my bone folder just to reinforce that score line and make that nice and crisp. So I'll go away and I'll emboss this. So there we go. This is really lovely. This is one of the 3D embossing folders that we do, which is really lovely. So I am going to do some stamping on here, and it is very simple. So I've got the two little kennel stamps that I'm going to use. Let's put those that way. I'm just going to position these so that I kind of know where I'm going to do my stamping. I'm going to do, which is the darker one, that's the darker one. So you can do this in any order, it doesn't really matter. I'm going to do that there, move those out of the way. Hopefully I'm going to get these straight. This is so cute, this. And then in the lighter colour, this is such a cute little stamp set. So then we've got the inside soft suede. So happy for you. So that's that. And then we'll do the heat embossing, and then we can put it all together. Down. Use the embossing buddy. Now very often you can't find the right sentiment, so I'll show you what I did. This has new home. I wanted to say happy new, so I'm going to use the happy out of this and the new out of this one. So even though this stamp set is really grubby, it's fine when you're heat embossing. So hopefully I did that. Oh, I did that upside down, but it really doesn't matter. My white embossing powder in this little tray here. Put the embossing powder on, and I will just quickly heat emboss this. There we go, so we have the two sentiments there. I'll just take my snips, and so we want cut that one out. Up. there we have it. Fabulous. So I'm just going to put these together. We've got some mini dimensionals and some liquid glue. So that sticks on there, fantastic. This, I'm not going to punch it out because I want to get this in the post, and I'm putting the 3 letters, die cut letters, on dimensionals. So I want to try and keep the layering to a minimum, unless of course you're giving this to somebody and then you can add a little bit more dimension. So I have put dimensionals already on the back of these. Take these off now. Let's do them in order, Lynn. I actually made this card to give to some friends who have just moved. So the only thing you need to really try and do is line up the letters, or I do, maybe that's my OCD in me. Try and get them on there straight. Fabulous. And then I will cut a little bit of dimensional. And what I tend to do when I have little bits like that, I'll use the edge, so we get some little bits. Will go there. Probably should use my pokey tool, that's what it's there for. Happy. New home. So there we go, quick and easy. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.